Hey, it's H here. Today we are taking a look at technical analysis for cake or pancake swap. We'll go over some major levels of support and resistance and wave analysis with Elliott Wave theory. So let's get going. We're currently on arithmetic scale. Before going into logarithmic scale, I'll show you one channel of interest. So this is again a very basic regression channel from the highs here of August 2021 to current price, and we can see that we've been just coming down with this channel all the way to the current prices, and we're still getting rejection on the highs here. Definitely something to keep an eye on and really easy to just draw on your chart as well. Now let's get into the logarithmic chart and start looking at some higher time frame levels. Let's establish some support and resistance areas that are interesting and plop down some high time frame things. So again, volume profile that shows a point of control, range value area high and range value area low. We can see loads of volume down here. We got a 38.2 retracement from the all-time lows. I'm not sure if this is something that should be even mentioned, but again, or do I need to even keep the fibs drawn from here? Maybe I could be establishing the lows from here all the way down to the lows of November 2020 to get some kind of ideal fib instead of the lowest lows on the chart. But in any case, we can see that we have some interesting areas here. We got a tapped monthly up here with a established support and resistance area. So we're going to label this as such. Most likely going to be some kind of resistance here. We got a high value area node of volume here as well. So good area for resistance. Point of control close-ish to a weekly, so more like a range here where we could be expecting some kind of rejection downwards. Down below we see that prices come down to range value area low and got a small bounce of it before getting down below it again. Now it most likely is going to be a support level with this new monthly established here around the March, and is going to be something that I keep on my list at least. Now something on medium time frame. What did I click? Did I just delete someone? Nope. Okay, I think I accidentally deleted something earlier. So, well, basically this is same as this one, so don't really need to draw that in. So let's check out the Fibonacci retracements here. We don't need that one. We can use this one. So again, even more confluence to this $20 area. We got a golden pocket from the all-time highs of April 2021 to the lows of March 15th 2022. Again, golden pocket, really well established area as well. We've already marked it as point of interest, so nothing else needs to be done here. 0.5 retracements come down here where a VWAP from the all-time highs is coming to. The VWAP could be coming down way more depending on how fast we get up here, if we can catch this VWAP here or on a lower level. I'm not going to mark it just a yes yet, as there's nothing else here of interest to me at least. Some low time frame stuff. Let's zoom in. Volume profile from the lows of March 16th and Fibonacci levels retracements from low to the high of April 4th. We can see a nice golden pocket with a monthly already here. that is a level of interest for sure. Do we have something else? Well, point of control is just below that, and another daily with a range value area low. So again, this is another area sort of where we could be looking for some kind of bounce, but I would be more focused on this one first. Actually, we had marked that monthly earlier as well as an interesting level. So nothing else to actually add here. These are the most important ones that we just went through. I'm going to add this as my targets and set an alarm here, right there. Yeah, that's good. And basically those are the levels that I'm interested in. Probably there's more, but those are the ones I'm looking forward to. Now let's get to Elliott Wave stuff. There's a couple of different alternatives to get up here. One possibility is wave 1 here. Other option is wave 3. Why I'm even thinking about this is just because we established the wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 here, and we are really close to the wave 3, or primary 3 is wave 4, but again we already crossed that below. Very close, 30% off, but oh well, it could be this one. I'm still looking for this as a possible 4, just because we don't want to see us going real down here. We just came to the 382 as well, which is giving more confidence for the wave 4 instead of the wave 2. So yeah, it's definitely debatable what that is. As long as we don't come up here to the $1 area and crossing this potential wave 1, we are fine with this or either of these wave counts. Yeah. Let's keep this one on and zoom into this correction here. So again, we had a couple of different possibilities. Let's go to 4 hour. Couple of different possibilities. I like this ABC better. It gets the 1-to-1 extension, pretty sure. 1-to-1, pretty close to it, and we can establish a nice zigzag pattern here. Other possibility was that having a WXY. Either case, something ended here. Whether it's a WXY or ABC, it doesn't really matter. Now, there's a bullish option here that we can go through. Again, we had possible 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 1. Is there any merit to this? Well, the RSI is, the volume is not really telling us too much. We had this massive bounce in volume, but again, that is just for 1 week higher. So I'm not sure if that is really relevant yet. This is possible to have the wave 1 here, and we could be looking for a 3-wave down pullback now. We almost came down to the 1-to-1 extension of this retracement for the ABC. We got a sort of a nice looking wave structure for wave 4 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into the C wave. So this, again, it's a possibility. Now, even if this first leg is 5 waves, it doesn't mean that the whole structure is impulsive. It could be an ABC as well, something like this, A, B, and C in minute. And at that point, we would be looking for a possibility of this being a connector wave to this, meaning that this is connecting the first leg here to something bigger down here, and we would be looking for more downside. At that point we could be even looking for the wave 1 highs here as a possible target. But again, options. Invalidation is pretty clear for the wave 1 idea, or the bullish idea, just below these here, around $5.30, and yeah, that's pretty simple. Wave analysis tells us that this definitely can be wave 2. It has taken enough time for this to be a wave 2, so there's no issue with that either. So those are pretty much the bearish and bullish options here I see. Let's put this guy the 1-2 place here. So is there any bearish sign that we could see right now? There's always a possibility for that. This wave structure could be actually something else than not just an ABC. It could be developing into something that is more complex, saying that either this leg is 5 waves here, as mentioned, 3 waves and 5 waves. At that point we would be looking at some kind of structure like this, WXY. And that would be more bearish. Are those going to take out these lows here? Not sure. We'll see how the wave structure develops here. But I'm hopeful for a bullish scenario actually here. So I think that's all I want to share on Cake. Let me know down in the comments if you have another wave count you would see on this coin, or if you want to have an analysis on another coin or an update on one of the previously visited coins or stocks. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you again soon. Bye bye.